guys how to. Today I'm going to show you Slither.io. So basically, I've got Slither.io mods, so you won't be able to have this, but I can. Basically, I've got loads of different stuff that normal people can't do on this game, but I can make myself have creepy eyes. Anyway, so Slither.io is a really fun game. One of my favourites probably. But on mods you can switch skins anytime you want. And you can switch colour. And also I can press R and just auto respawn. Actually, wait. Oh, no, it's not working. Okay, yeah, that's not working. Still, I can. So it says I can. Food crazy. What's that? Ooh. Yay! So this is Slither.io, and the end of the game is to kill other people by getting their head, trapping their head in your body. I don't know if I can capture someone getting killed. There we go. They just bashed against my skin and they died. Now their kill is their food once they die is much better than just food on the floor. So definitely eat that. It'll be a lot better. And just try to avoid other snakes or this happens. Yeah, you get killed. And you reset. So basically you can join other parties with this, with Slither.io mods. And also I think you can go in Pizza Worlds. I'm not sure. Okay, I just went full screen. So that's pretty cool, but I think I want to go back now to. There we go. I just killed someone, so now the aim of the game is basically to get bigger and bigger, and then on this leaderboard here, my snake is looking at it with his beady eyes. It has all the people that are winning, like have got a big skin, so then you can see what you're up against. Now that, where my mouse is how well they're doing. So at the moment, I'm not on yet. It's quite difficult to get on, I would say. Actually, extremely difficult. I've never gotten on there. If you do get on there, comment to me, because I really want to know. Yeah, so this is Slither. Oh, come on, I got killed. Slither.io. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. So in a minute, my subscribe bit will pop up. Another channel which I'm in that I run with a friend, Pro Chicken Goats, the gaming Roblox. No videos have come out yet, but they will come out soon. So do look out for that channel. It will pop up soon. Also do like and subscribe. Also in a minute my latest video will pop up, so do look at that. Anyway, see ya.